So if you go to santralmedia.com/horizons, it'll bring you to this page right here. And you could just type in your prompt and build the entire thing. But two quick things I want to point out. One, if you scroll down, they give you a couple like ideas. So you could use this to build a website or an online store or like an AI app or just an actual app. Totally possible. But, again, scroll down. You can check out some other templates too. If you're like, oh, I really like this one, but I want to customize it, you can build off of templates. But the second thing I want to point out is pricing. Of course, before you just walk into something and trust some guy on the internet to tell you where to spend your money, the pricing I think is important, right? So this is only worth it in certain circumstances. So if you are just making like the teleprompter app, like I said, and that's the only thing you're ever going to make, then $7 per month is more than $60 per year, barely, but it is more. So it doesn't make sense to just do one app if you're only replacing something that was like $50 a year, unless you want to customize it and really make it your own. Then it totally could be possible. But what I would recommend doing is at least go to the starter plan. And the main reason is because if you go down here, you can create up to 25 websites. So it ends up being like about 50 cents per month per app or website you're making. And you can make one website that it has multiple apps in it. So you can even do more. You could say like make a new tab, and in the new tab it's going to be like a PDF merger, whatever it is. You can really get a lot done with that. That's the plan that I use and I really recommend. So before we click select plan, I just wanted to show you guys this. There's some basic differences here. That's the one that I think is really most worth it. But let's go back to where we were on the little dashboard, the little landing page there. And all you do is you type in your prompt here. Now, you don't have to overthink it. I would recommend writing, a solid paragraph here. The more descriptive you can be, the better. But, just anything you put in is fine. We can edit all of this later. We can add things. But just giving a nice head start really does go a long way. So, tell it what you want it to look like. What do you want it to do? Maybe some relevant examples, like make it kind of similar to, this other thing out there. And then we can click on start for free. I'm going to say do not require a user sign in yet. Eventually you can have your own account on this kind of stuff, and then it'll save, long term if you want to track something like this. But let's just say go. It's going to have you enter your email address, create an account. Once you create your account and everything and select a plan, I selected the second one. It was like $13.99 a month. It'll then bring you into the Hosting Horizons platform, where it's actually doing all of the thinking and building out your website. And it looks like this. You'll see a lot of like crazy coding and intimidating stuff going by, but you can really just sit back and wait. It might take a couple of minutes, but on the left side, this is really the interface where we can kind of talk to it. We can ask it to do new things, and there's some other ways to edit. We'll see once this is done. I'll point out where those are. All right, so there we go. We've got, honestly, this did exactly what I want. I feel like there's not a whole lot I need to edit here. You're able to interact with it here. So you could say savings account. Maybe you have like 1,500 in there. And the growth rate, maybe you have like a 2% interest rate on that. So it shows me my current value, where I'm going to be. Nice. And now let's add another one and say maybe like stock. All right, so again, net worth, it shows the calculations there. And we can add our own debt in here as well and say maybe the debt is like, all right, so maybe we're paying that off 25% per year. I hope you're paying off your credit cards faster than that. But again, you can see right here, it's able to do that very, honestly, really well. There's pretty much no edits I want to make to this, but if you wanted to, you could either edit them over on the left side here. We can also click select and edit. So that way you're able to edit very specific things, like maybe this right here. I could say like, make this blue. And if I hit enter, it's going to, change that, for example. So you can edit more specific things without having to explain exactly what you want to edit. We can also upload images. We can dictate to this, just talk to it. Or of course, you can type as I've been doing. That's my preferred method there. We can also give feedback, thumbs up, thumbs down. And if there's anything that well, by the way, you'll see right here, it tells us how many credits were used. With this plan, we get 70 credits per month. So everything we do is going to cost like, 1 credit at a time to go and do these changes. So if there's ever things that you want to change that you don't want to have to use your AI credits for, you can go to edit content and you can just click and change it manually. So if you want to change the name of this, for example, anything outlined in blue is really easy to edit, just by clicking on it right now and changing that. The code is over here. You're not going to need that. Well, most people aren't going to use that unless you want to get really detailed into that or copy and paste it other places. But otherwise, we can check out the mobile view on here, see what this is looking like on phone. Pretty good, honestly. We can open this in a new tab. You can go to full screen, toggle back to desktop.